How's it going, engine lovers? Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to clean your EGR valve. This is my well-clogged EGR valve. You can see the carbon deposits on its walls. Just a second too. Now you can see the carbon deposits on its walls, and the valve is stuck in open position. This of course brings on the engine check light on your dashboard. So one of the ways to do it is to use some sort of a wire brush and lose a couple of hours of your life scrubbing down this thing. The other way is to use some sort of commercial degreaser like this one. I think it's made in Italy. And the fastest way, by my opinion, is to use a drain pipe cleaner. Here I have a couple of them, and those things do an amazing job. I'm going to demonstrate you in a couple of seconds. I will just need to remove the electromagnet over here. The electromagnet is removed, so let's fill the valve with some of the drain pipe cleaner. Of course, we will need some water. And be careful, because the reaction can be quite violent. Let's leave it like this for some time. Like I said, the reaction can be quite violent, and the EGR valve can become quite hot. So be careful, guys. And this, my friends, is the end result. Completely clean and good as new EGR valve. You can see there is not a single carbon deposit in it. This is the result of using only 2 domestic drain pipe cleaners. Of course, don't forget to completely dry out the EGR valve before mounting it on your car. So that's all from me. If you like the video, you know what to do.